Hi, I'm Dr. Erica Warren, and I'm really pleased to be speaking with you today about ChatGPT. Being an educational therapist and executive functioning coach, people often ask me if using this AI technology is cheating. And I really am a firm believer that this technology can be profoundly helpful for students. I believe it can take the dis out of disabilities, it can take the grunt work out of learning, and can allow students to learn at a higher level and to improve their abilities in being able to manage large quantities of material. So I wanted to do a video today on 8 tips and tricks, or hacks if you may, that can help students learn how to use ChatGPT in appropriate ways that can help them to be better learners. Tip number 1, turn class notes into study guides. Got notes that feel like a jumbled mess? Just dictate them and paste them into ChatGPT and ask, "Can you turn this into a study guide with bullet points and definitions?" Suddenly, you've got an organized, easy-to-review summary, perfect for quizzes and tests. Tip number 2, understand tricky topics. Struggling to make sense of something? Try explain mitosis like I'm a third grader, or give me a metaphor to help me understand this. ChatGPT can break down even the most complicated concepts into something relatable and memorable. Tip number 3, turn a rubric into a checklist. Ever get overwhelmed by an assignment rubric with too many details? Just ask, "Can you turn this rubric into a checklist that I can follow?" That way you can track your progress step by step and make sure you meet all your teacher's expectations. Tip number 4, brainstorm for essays without cheating. Need help getting started on an essay? Use ChatGPT to jumpstart your thinking. Try, what are some different angles I could take on this paper topic? Or, what question should I ask myself to develop a strong argument? This is a great way to spark your own ideas while keeping your work your own. Tip number 5, create flashcards in seconds. Studying vocabulary or key concepts? Paste your material into ChatGPT and say, "Can you make flashcards with questions and answers based on this?" You'll get a fast, personalized set you can print or review on your phone. You can also take this content and throw it into Quizlet AI, and it will create a Quizlet for you. Tip number 6, get helpful feedback to improve your writing. Want to strengthen your writing? Ask, "Can you give me constructive feedback on this paragraph?" Or, "What's working well and what could I improve?" It's like having a supportive writing coach helping you level up your skills while keeping your voice and ideas. Tip number 7, prepare for class discussions. Want to feel more prepared in class? Try this. Ask me 5 thoughtful questions about the book I'm reading to help me prepare for a class discussion. This helps you think deeper and show up with ideas to share. Tip number 8, plan your week like a pro. Too much on your plate? Use ChatGPT as a planning partner. Just say, "Help me make a weekly study schedule for the following tasks." It can help you prioritize, break tasks into steps, and even build in break time because your brains need rest too. These tips can help you take charge of your learning, feel more confident, and develop strategies so you can optimize your potential. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And drop a comment with your favorite ChatGPT tip or one you'd like me to test out.